people often fail to realize how stress affects physical health as well as hair health. However, it affects the overall health of an individual. This does not mean stress is always bad. Sometimes, stress is good for making an individual focus towards an approach and deciding better. In fact, some people perform better under stress and do much better. Stress up to a certain level is good, although there are no fixed parameters to establish up to what level it is good, but severe stress leads to disease like anxiety, sudden hair loss and other physical health problems. Many of the people associate stress directly with sudden hair loss. Here are few tips to solve your hair loss problems and easing your level of stress. Number 1. Do physical exercises. Your body secretes out a hormone called adrenaline that is good for you, but when body secretes this hormone in excess, this causes stress and sudden hair loss. Doing regular exercise and physical workout reduces the level of adrenaline hormone in your body. If you do physical workout on a regular basis, your body and mind will be relaxed and you will get much better sleep. Your health will also improve as a result of physical exercise. Number 2. Take enough sleep and relax. Take proper sleep and do some relaxation. You do not need special techniques to do relaxation. Only you need a peaceful place, which you have to create, be it your bedroom or office desk. Just sit in good posture, keep your body straightened, do some deep breathing and focus on good thoughts. You can use your office desk during a short tea break or lunch hour to do the same. Include relaxation in your daily routine for 20 minutes or so, daily. You will notice the significant change in your lifestyle once you start doing this stress-busting exercise. Good sleep is very important in easing stress. Sleep enough and sleep properly to ease your symptom of stress. Once your level of stress or adrenaline in your body starts dipping, the hair loss will automatically decrease. Number 3. Have good diet. Take diet rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals in sufficient amount. Eat whole grain breads, dairy products, milk, cheese, butter, etc., and poultry products like eggs and chickens. Also include in your diet fishes and meats. Avoid added sugars. Eat a lot of leafy green vegetables and whole fruits. Doing all above will help you in staying in good shape and reliving your stress. This ultimately will solve your sudden hair loss problems. When you talk about genetic hair loss, most people think about the most common form of hair loss, male pattern baldness. This is the type of hair loss that is passed on genetically to offspring from their mothers. Most often the recipients of this type of hair loss are men, but sometimes the gene can result in female hair loss. While genetic baldness in men is identified by a receding hairline or balding crown, genetic hair loss in women is a bit different. In most cases, a woman will not lose her hair in spots only but will thin out evenly throughout the head. Sometimes, this thinning can be quite severe and result in the woman having to wear a wig to cover up her thinning tresses. While female hair loss almost never results in a completely bald head, it can be extreme enough to expose the scalp quite plainly. For the woman facing this type of hair loss, there are a few hair loss treatment options that can be explored. They include shampoos, conditioners and topical treatments, such as Rogaine for women, which stimulate hair growth and prevent further hair loss, vitamin supplements, and stimulatory treatments such as massage and infrared therapy. The most successful of these hair loss treatments are the topical treatments. While they are quite expensive, they produce the best results. Hair loss due to chemical processes. No matter how healthy and strong your hair is today, you could experience severe hair loss after undergoing a harsh chemical process such as a perm or color. While almost all chemical hair fallout is due to operator error, the chance of it occurring is multiplied by chemical services that you perform on your hair at home. I've seen more than one case of female hair loss in clients who have bleached their hair at home, colored it over and then came to the salon for yet another bleaching. Not knowing this past history, the stylist used too strong a chemical, and the process resulted in hair loss. Since most of these cases do not result in complete hair loss, the hair loss treatment options include protein treatments and other conditioning treatments to strengthen the remaining hair, a good haircut that will remove most of the damage, and a gentle hair care routine that will minimize further hair loss due to breakage. You should also refrain from using thermal styling tools and undergoing any further chemical procedures until the hair is completely grown out. Hair loss due to stress. Cases of severe stress can literally cause handfuls of hair loss at a time. Women experiencing stressful conditions can experience female hair loss represented by thinning all over the head or in spots called alopecia areata. Alopecia areata means hair loss in spots or areas, and can result in bald circular patches on one or more spots of the scalp. While this type of hair loss is alarming, it is not permanent. After the stress is removed, most sufferers of this type of hair loss regrow all of the hair that they lost. In most cases, the hair loss treatment for stress-related hair loss is minimal. After ruling out other causes of hair loss, your doctor will likely recommend changes in your diet or ideas to help alleviate your stress. Keep in mind that it can take months for your hair to grow back even after the stressors have been eliminated. Hair loss due to illness. Any type of extended illness or surgery can result in hair loss. Medications taken to combat certain types of illnesses can also cause your hair to become brittle and break or fall out altogether. The most identifiable type of hair loss is the loss associated with chemotherapy treatments. In most cases, this hair loss is complete and affects all areas of the body. While there is little that can be done to prevent this type of hair loss or promote growth during illness, surgery or chemotherapy treatments, this type of female hair loss is also temporary. In most cases, full recovery of hair is made after the illness is over. You can promote hair growth after the illness by getting regular trims and using growth-enhancing shampoos and conditioners. Vitamin supplements may also be beneficial. As you may have already guessed, hair loss in women is more common than we might think. And many may be experiencing hair loss and dismiss it as a natural occurrence that comes along with age. A lot of these women fail to seek the necessary hair loss treatment that can help them keep their remaining hair and regrow new hair. So, if you are experiencing hair loss, do not think that it is just because you are getting older. There may be something that you can do to keep the hair on your head from clogging your drain. Also, you can promote hair growth by using all kind herbs. The first positive thing about using herbs for hair growth is that there are no side effects associated with them like the drugs that are available in the market. If you have lifeless hair, it can be made better with massage with good herbal oil. Applying henna to hair deep conditions it. Henna is a very traditional and widely used treatment for hair growth. This herb is available in tropics. Henna is also used as a natural dye. Henna is mixed with other herbs like gooseberry, coffee and lemon juice. This mixture is a very good cure for hair fall. Massage your hair with warm oil. Take a fresh green coconut and massage some warm coconut milk into the hair. Keep this on for an hour and a half. This will make the hair soft and healthy. Use aloe vera gel on the hair once in a week and wash your hair. Hair loss is usually due to infection that harms the follicle. You can get rid of this infection by the use of the water on the hair with neem leaves that have been boiled for 5 minutes. Neem is considered as a natural disinfectant and doesn't damage the hair shaft. It is also known to cure dandruff, which is also one of the reasons for hair loss. Honey mixed with warm oil and a teaspoonful of cinnamon powder has to be rubbed into the scalp. This should be left on the scalp for around 15 minutes. This helps in hair growth and helps in keeping the hair soft and shiny. Crushed olive leaves mixed with vinegar should be applied on the hair. This is a great remedy for hair loss. A paste made of honey and egg yolk is also used for hair growth. To counter the smell caused by egg can be countered by rinsing the hair with lemon juice. Doctors recommend diets rich in nutrients that boost the growth of hair. If you want to stop hair loss, you should include lots of vitamin A-rich diet. Eat green leafy vegetables like spinach, milk, sprouted beans and salads. Increase the intake of protein-rich diet and you will naturally healthy hairs which promote hair growth. Good hair adds beauty to your personality, and it is only a healthy body that can be kept with beautiful hair. Eating nutritious diet and protein-rich diets that are healthy to your health will add starts to your crowning glory. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.